Hey everyone, Jen O'Sullivan here, and we are covering the Vitality book one chapter at a time. So welcome to lesson number 1. I can't believe we are actually starting. I'm so excited that you guys are here. Feel free to tag your friends because what we're going to be doing is just going through each lesson one at a time. And lesson 1 is all about the premium starter kit, okay? So this is going to be the shortest PSK overview you've ever heard in your life, which makes it really easy for people to just kind of like, let me get an overview, okay? So basically, the premium starter kit, we often call it for short the PSK, is your best entry point into Young Living. The reason it's the best entry point, and I have had some people say, you know what, I just want to do my own thing, and I say, well, why? You actually need those. These are the foundational oils that you absolutely must have. The reason for that is because they are the foundation for making your own blends. They're the foundation for every single thing that you need to have going on in your life to support. Everything in there has been specifically designed for a reason, right? And we have this whole thing that we're going to get into later, which is called action groups. But there's really 11 main action groups, and each one of these covers that action group. So you want to start with the top of that action group, and I call it the head of the class. The head of the class action group, all of them are in your PSK. Okay, so your premium starter kit is the best way to start because you're not only getting the best of the best, the ones that everybody loves the most, you're also getting them at over 55% off. Okay, so when you do the math of the retail price plus membership and all of that, it comes out to over 55% off, $340 worth of items for only $160. So again, this is US pricing. If you're in a different country, you can look up your pricing, and I am telling you it is over 50% off on you as well. So make sure you check everything out and see how amazing this deal is. Now, do know with the US market, the oils are sometimes a little bit different depending on the market you're in. So because I'm in the United States, that's what we'll be covering. But just know, like if you're in Canada, you get some amazing oils like your Northern Lights Black Spruce, which is one of my favorites. And if you're in other countries, oftentimes you're getting Purification, which seriously, I use it every single day. Plus you're getting like RC, which is another incredible oil. So it just depends on your market. But generally speaking, the PSK is pretty much the same. But what's really cool about the book here is it's giving you uses and best practices for all of these oils, right? So I share with you guys how to become a member and why become a member. It's really important to know that your membership is like incredible. Okay, it's like you're getting wholesale membership with the best products at 50% off, over 50% off right at the get-go, and then for the rest of the year you're getting 24% off. And you get to order what you want when you want, okay? So it's really easy. The whole system is really easy. And whoever invited you to this, and if you have a friend that maybe wants to sign up with you, just know that those people are your customer service people. Those are the people that you're gonna reach out to. So like if you signed up under me, I become your person, and I am the one who actually helps you figure out what you need to order, how to place an order. That's the difference between Young Living and a lot of other companies, is that we really do take pride in like white glove service, right? We want to help you succeed in this because we love it so much, right? We're straight up like oily obsessed, okay? So it's the best. You're in good hands. So whoever invited you to this book club, please contact them and say, okay, how do I get started? Okay, because you should just do it. Like, if I can tell you the best thing that you can do for yourself this year, it would be just to buy your PSK. Not even kidding. Do it. Jump in. Okay, don't even question it. If you have no money, I mean, this is so funny. I talk to people this all the time. I'm like, I bet you money that you have a ton of stuff in your garage and in your closet that you could sell and probably make more than the $160 or whatever your exchange rate, whatever your amount is to actually buy this kit. So it's worth it. It's worth that extra work to just scrounge up those pennies, save for the next month if you need to, but get it. And it will make this class so much more fun because I'm going to share with you all sorts of recipes and things to make. So you're going to get lavender, okay? Lavender is incredible for so many different things, but we know it's really calming. You're going to get frankincense, which we absolutely adore for our skin. Straight up, one of the best just skin supporting oils. You're going to get copaiba, which it's sort of like a gateway oil. It sort of opens up the path for other oils. But you guys, copaiba is this amazing like focus oil. It's the main ingredient in StressAway, which helps our minds just focus. Okay, so copaiba, good one, okay? You're gonna get lemon, and you guys, man, lemon is just, just full of energy and uplifting emotional support. It is such a good oil for all sorts of things. I mean, you can like clean black grime off of your white car. Get that. That's crazy. It's great for all sorts of things. So it's high in monoterpenes, which really just helps its cleansing power. So it's just that one, we just love lemon because of how beautiful that one is. It blends so well with so many other oils. Peppermint is like a fan favorite for so many people. You can just put a few drops in some water and spray it in the summertime. It just like cools off your skin instantly. It just feels amazing and it has this just invigorating smell. Okay, so that one for sure. When you get into the blends, because the blends are these beautiful synergies that Gary Young has created that are the most copied oils on the planet. Every single oil company copies these blends, okay? So Thieves is the #1 most copied synergy ever. And so no, don't get the knockoff, you guys. Get the real thing. The real thing, it's like way better, okay? So it's this multi-species blend. You're getting like clove, lemon, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus, rosemary. These oils come together to create this, I'm talking energetic, uplifting aroma, but then also in the United States, we have a whole line called Vitality, which is for internal use, and they're totally FDA approved to be able to use internally. And those oils used internally can actually help with your immune system. They just help support a healthy immune system. Okay, Digestion Vitality, same with Digestion, right? You could use Digestion as just in your diffuser. The aroma itself is just super balancing. But when you use it Vitality, like in a capsule or 1 drop under your tongue, it actually does aid in helpful, more healthful digestion. Okay, so that the oils that are in that help with that, like tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, patchouli. Those oils are amazing to help support a healthy digestive system. Raven, some of you guys have RC, but Raven is sort of like the sister to RC. It's like the little bit more bully of a sister to RC. RC is really more mild and just really good for that. Eucalyptus has a bunch of eucalyptus, and eucalyptuses have this calming ability, okay? So the eucalyptus is an RC. When you get into Raven, you get Raven Sarah, which is just this really heavy hitter that is amazing just to help with opening up. Just like you breathe it in and it just feels amazing, okay? So it has lemon, wintergreen, peppermint, and eucalyptus radiata, which is the lighter version of eucalyptus. But that oil is, I would say, like the bully sister to RC, okay? So it just incredible oil though, both of those. And you really should have both of those in your quiver. But RC comes for most international and Raven comes for US orders, okay? Citrus Fresh is also this like packs a punch, amazing for your diffuser, like clears the room, like put it in your bathroom, put it in your entryway, like just put a diffuser in every room and have Citrus Fresh in there, okay? Such a good one. If you buy that using the Vitality line, it's the same exact oil inside the bottle. It's just that one is labeled for internal use, and it's really great for your water. That one for sure, just put 1 drop in your water, and the flavor of your water, if you don't like water, try 1 drop of Citrus Fresh, and it will change your life, okay? And those of you guys from other countries have Purification, which clears the room again, right? You just use that and it just helps clear the room. I use Purification on my feet and my feet don't stink. Okay, we're gonna get into that in some other lessons, but man, Purification's a favorite. Okay, and Citrus Fresh has orange, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin, and spearmint. When you get into using an oil such as PanAway, it's another blend, and that blend has wintergreen, helichrysum, clove, and peppermint. A really simple blend, but again, an often copied blend. So many companies have a similar one, but every time I've ever had somebody use ours compared to a different company's, they're always like, whoa, why does that one work so much better? And the secret's in our helichrysum. Our helichrysum is second to none, and that helichrysum makes a big, big difference in this, okay? So that's just like when you're just feeling a little sore from like a heavy workout or something, just rub it right on, put some carrier oil, give yourself a little bit massage, and you'll know what I'm talking about. You'll straight up know what I'm talking about if you just smell it. But you can even put it in the diffuser, and it just helps with clarity and opens your mind. It's so good, okay? StressAway. We joke all the time that if we could, we would bathe in it, okay? So StressAway is this just, I don't know why it's so good, but we just all love it. It has copaiba, lime, cedarwood, osotea, vanilla, and some lavender, okay? And there's a little bit of vanilla absolute in there, which is not like extract, it's absolute, but just enough, just a tiny bit that gives it that kind of vanilla ice cream smell. Man, kids love this. Your husband will love this. You will love this. So one of the things that I tell people to do for their husbands, maybe if they're a little bit on the fence about like, really, what are these oils that you're buying? Get that StressAway, and every single night, I want you to commit for 30 days, 30 seconds a night. That's it, okay? For the next 30 days, you're going to take 3 drops of StressAway. You're gonna ask your husband, give me your stinky feet, okay? Suck it up, ladies, for 30 seconds. That's it. Not 30 minutes, 30 seconds. You're going to give your husband just a real nice end of evening foot massage with StressAway, and watch what happens by day 3, okay? On evening 3, I want you to report back and see what happens. Some of your husbands will be like, don't touch my feet, but some of them will be like, okay, fine. And then by day 3, your husbands will be like, where's my foot rub? They'll be expecting it. They'll have their socks off and their feet in your lap like quick, okay? So do that for 30 days. I want you to bless your husband. Again, we are not only changing our own lifestyle here, but we want to help infuse and just get into our family's lifestyle shift as well. Okay, so the diffusers, the one that comes with your kit is the Desert Mist or the Dewdrop. You can choose either or, okay? And I want you to just consider like which one you like better. No big deal. And then for sure, as we're falling here, for sure, you can even upgrade, and you can upgrade to the Aria, which is right here behind me. It's a beautiful diffuser. It's super expensive, but it's amazing, okay? And so our diffusers have the least, what is it called, fail rate from any company on the market, because we use the highest grade of diffusers. We actually buy from the best company in the world, okay? And you can actually look at your plug to see who that is. It's no joke. This diffuser is like a 600 diffuser from the company, but from us it's like, I think three or something, 2 something, I don't even remember. But if you get it with your premium starter kit, it's cheaper, so it's a better deal. The Rainstone diffuser, which is in my bedroom, is just so good. Like, that one's beautiful. It's this beautiful black diffuser. So again, a lot of men might like that. But I always just say start, the Desert Mist is beautiful and the Dewdrop is silent. So if you need like no trickling sound, no water gurgling sound, the Dewdrop is a silent diffuser, whereas the Desert Mist is really pretty, but you'll hear a little bit of that water trickle, which I think that white noise helps some people, but you absolutely are gonna love these diffusers. Our diffusers are just incredible, okay? So I want to give you just a couple recipes and usage ideas, and that'll end out our lesson number 1. Try adding a drop of thieves to your cold water diffuser. Again, we call them cold water. This is not an atomizer. It's a cold water diffuser during the day, and it just uplifts everything, okay? What I'd love for you to try as well is putting just a drop or 2 of StressAway on your wrists, right either during the day in the morning, or just do it every 4 hours, okay? I'm not kidding. This will help you focus and get through your day better. I want you to also try maybe doing 1 drop of PanAway on your shoulders or your lower back. Use a little bit of carrier oil as well. If you need to, just see how you do that. Carrier oil is going to help keep it on you longer. So for sure, try that and just feel that soothing experience, okay? Same thing with any other thing. So we're doing a few of these kind of like, try Raven or RC, depending on what you have, a drop on your chest in the evening. You'll just feel that experience. You'll know what I mean when I say this experience. Like RC on your chest just helps you feel calmer and opens things up, whereas Raven, you'll feel it's a little more spicy. Again, you can use some carrier oil because it has that peppermint in it, and that Raven Sarah, which you'll again feel just like, okay, so it's just a cool experience. So those are just a few of the recipes. There's more in lesson number 1, but that's it for lesson number 1. If you don't have your premium starter kit and you're somebody who is just like, I don't know, I absolutely want you to get with the person who added you into this group, okay? It's very important because they have all the information in the world. They can get you started right away. If you have 0 people and you found me on your own, or if you're one of my friends, because I do add a lot of my friends into these groups as well, just message me, okay? Because I want to get you guys started right away. All right. It's the best choice, best decision you'll ever make in your life. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.